Right, back here on Shelley's Caddy. Booster and master are back, mounted up, everything's installed there. Got our washer jar put back where it goes. I bench bled the master on the bench before I assembled them. I actually did this one on the bench because I had time. So I'm just gonna pump it, and make sure we're good here. And we'll fire the car up quick and move her and see what we got. All right, we're running. We have a sort of brake pedal. Yeah, okay, we need to figure this out. So I need to get a hold of Shelley. So that's not right, even though it's all been rebuilt and brand new. God. Let me make some phone calls.